Hey folks, hi. I am today going to tell you about my very little secret. This secret is known as cast magic. So cast magic is like magic spells which help me do a lot of things in a very quick timeline. The thing is, I'm going to do all these videos and quick recordings here because cast magic is back in my arsenal to help me score better, right? So today I am very pumped to introduce you to Cast Magic because I know that whether you are a seasoned creator or a new one, it takes a lot of time when you have to create a content and repurpose it because that's a long process. And sometimes adding transcripts and all those things are very tedious. So here is a tool known as Cast Magic which does that at the tip of timeline. So that's why I love it. And I am absolutely sure that you are going to love it as well. Cool. Then you might think, what exactly is this cast magic? Is it just a average tool for content creators? No matter if you work on your videos, graphic designs and things, is it going to help me? Trust me, it is going to. I have been using it for a while now. I have tested it a lot of times, and that's why I think it is going to enhance your experience. Okay, the first thing is the intuitive experience. It's really great, you are going to love it, and it is so simple. Being a UX designer, I criticize products very easily whenever I use them, but this is one that's smooth, super smooth product where everything is there. They have a lot of tutorials. If you feel stuck, then there are people as well. There is a community. You can just ping there and people are ready to help you, which is amazing, right? So that's why I like it. And also there is a lot of things as templates available to you. So when I kickstarted, I didn't knew how to exactly create a YouTube video. What should I ask for? How to repurpose? Where should I repurpose my content? Should I repurpose or not? What should be the words I use as my keywords? Is this video going to work? What would be my SEO score? All these things, Cast Magic has a default template which they give you. You can choose it from there and apply it. And if you want to customize it, you can do that as well. But the good thing is, suppose I felt something is good and I can put that in a community file and you can use my community custom prompts as well. And are people who share absolutely amazing cast magic prompts, which I love to use. And I think you should also try out if you have it. Okay. Then there is also AI assistance. So there are times where I feel I'm stuck. Should I write more? Should I test my video? Does this work? Will it not work? So I used Castmagic's AI assistants to help me out in that as well. Plus, the one thing which I love about this, it is multi-platform compatibility. It does not matter whether you are creating a YouTube video or not. Suppose you have a Twitter thread, put it there. It is going to give you different aspects of it. It is going to convert it and give you a very quick YouTube reel video or Instagram or a blog, something like that. So it does not matter which platform you are coming from. It is that constant circle. If you put one thing, it gives you all the others. Just quick. And one good thing I felt is with a lot of AI tools, what you have to do is to do a lot of pen paper testing on that, read everything, proofread, and then think this is not good enough. Should I change this? Should I change that? But it gives you good enough things. You can give that this is my language, this is my tone, and it is going to utilize that as well. So you can train a little bit of your model over there as it is. And don't trust me. If you feel like you don't want to trust me, go there, try this out. There is a free trial available as well. I'm sure you are going to love it. But still, if you don't want to try out as well, check out all the testimonials they have. I did, and I was amazed. It's amazing. I just love it, man. It's so good. And one thing is, I'm going to link it down in the description so you can get some discount because I have made quite a few friends over there in the community, and I think they are going to help you with some additional discounts. So go check that out. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.